Independently certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Have you had a wonderful Friday? Take a look at the sunrise from Sadieville in Scott County. Eddie Hamilton taking this photo. Thank you, Eddie, for sending in the photo and sharing it. And you can see we started off the day with a little cloud cover, but it did make for a beautiful sunrise. And here's a live look at our Fort Banks sky view from EKU's campus of the sunset. In fact, we have those clouds still staying around. We've had a lot of clouds today, but no rain developing just yet. We do have a lot more rain that will develop overnight and continue throughout the weekend. Flood watches already issued for southern Kentucky. That includes pretty much from Madison County, Richmond, and further to the south and into eastern Kentucky from West Liberty to Jackson, Pikeville, and Hazard. So again, these flood watches just means that we could have some local river or local areas that are off to the south could have some river flooding, and because that flood warnings have already been issued right along the Kentucky River Valley as well as the Cumberland River Valley. Already looking at those flood warnings. So again, that just goes to show that even into next week, even after the bulk of this rain's finished, still could have some flooding issues for some of the river valleys along the Kentucky River and the Cumberland River. Looking at your satellite and radar, again, a lot of cloud cover all across the Commonwealth. The rain that we're watching right now off to the south and southwest, kind of moving out of the Gulf Coast states. That's what's headed in our direction. We have high pressure that moved off to the east, clockwise rotation around high pressure. That's given us winds out of the south today, but this also brought with it a little bit more Gulf moisture across the region. We're going to have a frontal boundary kind of stall out right over the Commonwealth tomorrow, and weather disturbances will ride right along that stalled frontal boundary, and that's what's going to give us all this rain as we head into the weekend. So midnight tonight into our early morning hours of your Saturday morning, you can see rain becoming more widespread around daybreak, lower 40s, so we stay above freezing. Here's some of that heavy rain that will develop here from 12 noon into our afternoon. Anywhere you see those yellows and golds and even some orange, that goes to show some heavy rain. Lower 50s tomorrow afternoon. It's a little bit more scattered rain, could pick up about an inch across the bluegrass area, but to the south you could get about 2 to 3 inches of rainfall totals. Could even see some isolated higher amounts. By midnight Sunday, the bulk of the widespread rain begins to taper off and becomes a little bit more scattered rain here from Sunday morning to 12 noon and into your later afternoon. But again, the rain's not finished. Still off and on showers possible through the day on Sunday. Sunday, a little cooler, highs around 45 degrees, and we could have a little freezing rain Sunday night into Monday morning. So Saturday, heavy rainfall at times. Sunday into Monday, scattered rain with weekend rainfall totals about 1 to 3 inches. And you can see some of those higher amounts of rain the further south you go, closer to about 3 inches, and up toward the north, closer to about 1 inch of rain. Temperatures outside right now, anywhere from the mid to upper 50s, relatively mild at this time. Overnight, it will be chilly. You'll still need the jacket with rain developing. Overnight lows will be around 43 for the start of our weekend, lower 50s. It will be a rainy day tomorrow, so have the rain gear and use caution if you are going to be traveling. And then on Sunday, 45 degrees with a chance for more scattered rain showers.
And obviously, if you live in a flood-prone area, you need to monitor water levels this weekend. Yes. All right, Jason, thank you.